Here we're going to be showing you how to make garlic parmesan wings. I have 16 wings, both flats and drums, and I'm just going to be lightly tossing them around in a mixture of 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. After these are pretty well coated, we are going to be rolling them into a mixture of half a cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. You're just going to lightly coat these. You don't want them super heavily coated because the flour will get all in your air fryer. So if you just want to tap them on the sides of the bowl after you're done coating them, just to make sure all the excess flour falls off. And you want a little bit of space between each wing in your air fryer. You don't want to have them super crammed. So I have some here. I'm going to put about 10 in this round, and I'm going to do 2 batches so that they all get cooked, because they definitely won't fit all together. We're going to be frying this on 400 degrees for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, we're going to be flipping them over and frying them for another 8 minutes. So here the first 10 minutes were up. They're looking good. We're just turning them over so they can cook on the other side. They should be a little bit crispy at this point. Just flip them over like this and let them cook for another 8 minutes, still on 400 degrees. After they are done, we are going to be making our sauce. We have 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of dried parsley, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, and 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. And we're just going to be mixing this really well, and we're going to drizzle this over our wings. And here we are just going to put it all over, and we're going to toss our wings around to make sure that this sauce coats all of our wings evenly. So I like to just take 2 forks and lightly toss them back and forth. This worked well for me. Whatever you want to do, you can even use your hands if you want. This recipe turned out so good, you guys. The smell was amazing and it tastes so good. We're pairing this with some ranch to dip them in, but if you guys want to make your own sauce or whatever you want to dip them in, I'm sure they would be great. Here's the end result. And don't forget to subscribe for more recipes.